Hey everyone, me Kevin here. I've gotta come clean. I have quite a few things to talk about, and I thought I'd provide a sort of full-on update video on all of these things, including a gender reveal, an admission, house hack, and my sincere personal take on the market and everything. A couple of things sort of up front, just housekeeping. We are looking for an in-house attorney. You could be brand new if you just graduated law school and you just passed the bar. You're qualified. This is going to be very important for all of the various different businesses we have, mostly for just in-house regulatory compliance and paperwork and all that. So with that out of the way, and also it's June 1st, so make sure you email staff@mekevin.com if you need a bundle coupon code, or you check out on those programs on Building Your Wealth link down below, whether it's income, the AI course, or investing like stocks or real estate. Okay, so with that out of the way, let's talk about some of the things I have to come clean about. So there's gender reveal, and then there's personal admission. Personally, I'd like to say thank you to all of you, because I think I've finally found a way to be the least anxious and happiest version of myself ever, and that is thanks to you. That is thanks to me taking more of an approach of what can I do to provide great value for you all, and if you have the time to watch all that value, fantastic. If not, no problem. But I'm a big fan of, doesn't matter what the views are, the titles don't have to be the most dramatic or clickbaity, this, whatever. It's all going to be about providing the best value, and that's what I want to stand for. So that's made me very happy and content, and so I wanted to sincerely thank you for that. I've also really come to appreciate family time a lot more, and that brings up our gender reveal. See, this weekend I spent 4 days with the kids and family and Laura and Max, Jack. We had a phenomenal time, with the exception of almost killing Max, because now we have found out he's allergic to walnuts, and we need to carry an EpiPen around because he's severely allergic to walnuts. This is my fault. I fed him a walnut cookie, but don't worry, I rescued him to the extent that I was able to without an EpiPen. All worked out. But it does bring up the update on our surrogate, who is pregnant with twins. We're now at, I think, 14 weeks in. We have a due date in November. And the gender reveal is that both of our children are going to be little girls. So we have 2 girls coming, and we're very, very excited about that. Last time, Lauren and I revealed that we were pregnant with twins, and we revealed that in a video that we were pregnant, and in a picture that they were twins, and now officially that they are indeed twin girls. So then we will have 2 boys, Jack, who's 7, Max, who's 5, and 2 brand new baby twin girls, probably around the time of Thanksgiving, which is really, really exciting. Now, with that, I also would like to provide a house hack update, which we have not provided in a while, mostly because no news is good news, I always like to say. I have consistently said that our plan is to start buying real estate in Q3 and Q4, and that is still the plan that we have. If I am to specify within that, it's probably looking like September, October, November, December, and January. And for all of those of you, whether you're investors in househack or not, the reason for that is I believe that the people who sell homes in October to January are people who need to sell homes. And those are opportunities to find homes to buy that we can then rent out at to individuals and provide affordable housing for folks by actually taking properties that are not on the market for rent and adding to the rental supply. So what we're really doing is helping provide rentals for people. We're providing homes for people, and we're taking homes that are trashed and fixer-uppers and unable to be inhabited, they're vacant or whatever, and we're providing them to the housing stock. We actually think that's a noble service, but not just trying to be some big landlord. We want to be the best landlord that exists. So ultimately, we think that househack will become the vanguard of real estate. We have really incredible plans for making househack the vanguard of real estate. And short of going into all of the details, it's worth noting that we want people to be able to win in investing in real estate, whether it's being a tenant and maybe having a share of equity, or being able to invest in real estate at Vanguard fee-like levels, in other words, very low levels. We have phenomenal plans and visions for this, and we think that all three of my businesses are going to merge in this really beautiful manner where they're all going to be complementary to each other, which is really exciting. Because on one hand, househack right now just went through its Regulation A audit, which is very exciting as well. That took a very long time, mostly because our warrants took a lot longer to audit. That is now complete. Now, what's exciting about that is share certificates have gone out, warrant certificates have gone out. You get an email from Pulley if you're an investor. And if you're not yet an investor, we're really close to hopefully getting qualified by the SEC to allow you to invest in househack if you want, at the same one-to-one valuation. We won't have that warrants for new joiners, unfortunately, but we'll still have the same one-to-one valuation because we haven't started buying real estate yet. We've also operated extremely lean for househack. The expenses for househack have been maybe the equivalent of 1.5 salaries and some rental cars. Remember, I'm filming right now from my plane. Every dime of this plane is on me, my media business. househack does not pay for this. This is my contribution to being the best CEO possible, to make sure we can be where we need to be. Because as we know, real estate is a local business. You have to be there to actually get good deals and to work with contractors and to make sure you're not getting ripped off, right? So that's very important. You have to be a local and present CEO. But beyond that, we expect probably to have a Regulation A ready for non-accredited investors to invest. I would say, if not by the end of July, maybe by August. So July, August, a little later because the warrant and the auditing took a little longer, but it's all clean and solid, which is exciting. And we'll be posting all of that, of course. Once we're qualified by the SEC, it'll all be available on public databases as well, but we'll be posting that as well. So that'll come, stay tuned for that. But what's fascinating, what I'm really excited about is what we see is this sort of trifecta that we're building. And this is a trifecta of, hey, wait a minute, we're going to be in this place where we can actually take all three of these businesses and let them build off of each other. So let me give you a little bit more insight on this. I'm getting actually a little chilly sitting here, so I'm going to go outside. Hold on just a second. Let's go outside. So what we're going to do is, a lot of the staff we have, I train them in everything, right? I train them in media, in our financial advisory biz, which we don't advise clients, we just advise the ETF that I operate right now. And in the future, we hope to launch more ETFs, and we want to lower the fees for ETFs. We really want to compete with Vanguard with actively managed products. So throughout the rest of this year, a lot of us else on the team, I'm already licensed, but a lot of us else on the team, we're going to be licensed as broker-dealers. We're going to be licensed as financial advisors. We're hoping to launch more ETFs and give people more options and lower fees across the board for things. Obviously, we're very excited about how things have gone so far. All at the same time as really hoping to revolutionize real estate, which we're really excited to share that journey with you on. Now, a lot of folks have been wondering, Kevin, why have there not been more househack videos? And those will come. We anticipate that when it becomes buy time, it's going to make a lot more sense to share a lot more insight into where we're buying and how we're buying and the renovations that we're doing and the work that we're doing, which we're very excited to share. But right now is not the time for that. Right now, the original funding we have is generating incredible cash flow for househack, and we're not ready to buy yet anyway. We believe that once we get to Q3, Q4, the market will either confirm that we are going into a Paul Volcker style direction, which I don't think is likely, or we are over the inflationary nightmare. The question then becomes, will we by then know what happens with housing inventory? Remember, it's my belief that if housing inventory increases, which we really want it to, we want there to be more of an equilibrium in the market. It's going to be easier to get good deals in real estate. And even if interest rates come down, we do think that housing inventory will come up and we'll have an equilibrium. There'll be plenty of opportunities. And quite frankly, there are plenty of opportunities that are coming across our desk right now for househack. We could start buying today if we wanted to. We just need to make sure, though, that this first round of money we deploy for househack is with certainty, and obviously we can't guarantee anything, but I'd like it to be as certain as possible that the deals we buy are just the best deals that we can get. And so that makes me very excited, because then we're going to have the best foundation for this startup. So we have these 3 really cool things going on, all at the same time as my Nike swoosh thesis so far is working out really well. I believe that inflation will go away. We'll be fighting deflation soon. When there's more inventory in the housing market, we'll have plenty of opportunities, and there are even plenty of opportunities now, because we have plenty of extremely desirable markets for long-term investments, where we're working with realtors and contractors in. And so, all in all, what I want to come clean about is that I feel really good and happy and positive. And I think you should too, whether it's about this Nike swoosh recovery in the stock market, or whether it's about hopefully you starting your business or getting ahead in your work, or utilizing AI to be more productive, which all of the AI lectures, by the way, are dropping on June 6th at 6 p.m. I did have to push that out about 4.5-ish days because I messed up and I didn't get my work done on time, and that's my fault. But those will be dropping soon. Price increase is scheduled for tonight, and as soon as we get back. And I want to be very clear. This, it feels weird, but I feel like since I was 16 years old, I've always been trying to figure out a balance between working hard and fun, but then being anxious when you're having fun, and then being anxious when you're working, and you're always trying to get ahead. And I feel like I'm finally in a place where I can say I'm genuinely, knock on wood, very happy. We've got a phenomenal team. We're going to do amazing things with househack. We've got, our market theses are playing out exactly the way we thought they would. And those things could change, we know that, but we're happy with the channel, we're happy with our viewers, we're happy with the education we're able to provide in our course. Everything feels very good right now. Everybody's healthy and happy. So the point of that is I also want to share motivation, because I know that not everybody is able to say, like, hey, we're genuinely in a very happy place. I want to say that where I feel like I am now came from a place of always anxiety and feeling like I have chest pain and a lump in my throat, like I have cancer and I'm dying. And some of the things that have really helped me recently are feeling more present and knowing that as long as I work hard and we're going in that general positive direction, things are going to work out. And so if I can encourage you, no matter what it is you're doing, have faith, take the leap of faith, take the risk, start that startup, start that business, buy that investment, invest in yourself, do it. Usually things just work out. And so I'm so excited about that. And hopefully this is motivating to you. And thank you so much for watching this. I just felt the need to spontaneously share this. And I wish you the best out there, I sincerely do. And I'm excited to do the jobs report tomorrow. Let's see how it goes. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you soon. Good luck. And check out the links down below for the courses. Bye.